Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to verify your account on Rumble, because this is a question that so many people have asked me in the comment section. People have created their account and now they don't know how they are going to verify their account. So stay here, listen very careful, because I am going to make a video and you are going to see it step by step on how I'm going to do it. Yes, so I hope that all of you are well, and make sure that you watch this video and kindly leave a comment and like this video if you really know that maybe whatever the information I'm giving you guys is good and maybe is helping some of you, because I know some of people are just complaining and I know some are getting help. So if you know that these videos is maybe helping you on maybe to know something, kindly please like the video. So I just want to start it right away. I don't want to waste time. So what you are going to do, I hope everyone have a Rumble Studio. I hope you now have Rumble Studio, because this one on your phone, you will not be able to verify your account on your phone. Like on the Rumble app on your phone, you will not be able to to access the Rumble Studio on your phone unless you download the Rumble Studio. Yeah, if you download the Rumble Studio, you will be able to do what? You will be able to access it. But if you have a laptop, you can access it. You can access Rumble Studio through the laptop. Yeah, so what you're going to do after opening a Rumble account, a Rumble Studio, this is the Rumble Studio here. I have displayed my camera. This is the Rumble Studio, and you see you're going to click on how to verify your account. Click on how to verify your account there. Give it time to load. Don't be in a hurry. This is a very, very important thing, and this is where you are going to get like everything. Rumble account verification and Rumble related payment. Like if you want to know how you're going to be paid, you will just click on payment related, and you see here, this is payment related questions, how to request a refund and all that you will ask, and they are going to tell you. So here we are going to verify our account by clicking this link here. You see it is green. This green link here is what you are going to do, what you're going to click on. So after clicking on that green link, it will bring you here, verification, account status not verified. My first account is verified. This is the second account that I am going to verify it right now. So what you're going to do, they are telling you to add a phone number, country code and phone number. You see? So the first one, you will put a country code. If the one that they have put for you is not yours, you will just, in this list we have a lot. So you will choose one of it and you will put there. And another one, you will put now your phone number here. Let me put my phone number. After putting your phone number, I have put my phone number. I'm just hiding it, guys. I have put my phone number. Now you see mobile phone, text me. Whether if you want them to text you, you will click on text me. If you want them to call you, you click on call me. I'm going to click on text me. Yeah. Now, when the code comes, you see this, enter the code here. You will enter that code there in that little box, and then you will click on validate code. So let us wait as they send our code right now. So guys, I had to go back to my laptop because my phone went off. So they sent me a code, and you're going to see it here. I have displayed everything. And after they have sent you a code, you will take that code. After taking that code, you will now put that code on the box that I was telling you, that box there. And you know, this is the message that they have sent me. After sending me the message that I am now able to do everything. My account is now verified. Yes. So this is how you do it. It is very, very easy, guys, and you can do it on your own. You don't need any help. Just go through all the steps. After clicking everywhere they sent you that verification code, you put on that verification code, and now they will send you a message like they have done it for me. And sometimes it gets it takes time for them to send you a message. So if maybe yours will take time, don't be in a hurry. Just continue trying. You can even try even after tomorrow, because for these people to get me I remember my first account, it took me like 3 days to verify it, like for them to send me a message. But this one, they sent a message like after 20 minutes. So I was very, very, very patient, and I was trying. I kept on trying, you know. I kept on trying until they now send me a message. So if you send if you put your number and maybe they are not bringing you a verification code, don't worry, like don't be in a hurry. Just give it time and try again. The fact that now so many people are verifying their account, because they have millions of people who have joined that app, and now people are verifying their account to start streaming and uploading video and doing everything. But it doesn't mean that you can't, you can't like put you can't upload video without verification. No, all those things you can just do them. So guys, I hope this video is going to help you that have been asking how you're going to verify your account. So thank you so much once more, and thank you guys for watching this video. And I'm going to come with a lot of how you are going to earn, and these apps that are paying, and these jobs, everything is going to be here. So make sure that you always pass to watch these videos, guys. So thank you so much, and God bless you.